Analyzing a stock or a group of stocks would be quite different when it comes to a portfolio as a whole. The underlying weights within each stock across different market caps, using the appropriate benchmark, and based on your stock allocation, understanding the company's fundamentals. It would get quite difficult to collect this individually and compare them all as a whole. Let's upload a portfolio on Markets Mojo. Here we are in the stock section. Let's add a stock. I could type the name. Simply select the transaction date. The transaction price would automatically be updated. Let's change the quantity. Choose the portfolio to add the same and save. The transaction has been updated. Let's add another transaction. Click on Add New, select the date, edit the quantity, and save. Now both the transactions have been updated. You could have a look at each transaction individually, find out about the gain as well as the latest value. Now let's click on Sell. Let's add the quantity. Save. Let's click on Done. The Sell transaction has also been updated. Now it would be quite difficult to add each and every transaction. So let's import a portfolio directly using the Import Upload Portfolio format. We provide you options to upload from different brokers and other portals. You could simply click on any. By clicking on No, you can get the steps you need to follow to upload the file. Simply click on Need Help View Demo. This provides you a step-by-step demo on how to download and upload the file on the Markets Mojo portal. In our case, let's go with the Markets Mojo format. Let's click on Continue. Click here to download the sample file. This is the Markets Mojo upload format. Here are some of the considerations you have to keep in mind. These are some of my transactions I would like to upload to the portal. Let's simply copy and paste the stock name into the Markets Mojo upload format. In the same way, let's select the transaction type as to buy or sell. In the same way, let's paste the price and the quantity. Now let's save the file. Let's import stocks. And click on Upload File. Select the file we would like to upload. Most of the transactions have been approved. However, there are two transactions which haven't been. There is an issue with the company name. We provide you with suggestions as to what it can be. You could simply select it. Now let's click on Save to Portfolio. Alright, all the transactions have now been uploaded into the Markets Mojo portfolio. You could simply click on Add Account to add a new account. Let's save it as Portfolio 2. The Edit Account feature would help you delete portfolios which are not required. Let's delete the Portfolio 2 now. Let's click on Done. In this section, you can find out how your portfolio has performed today. As you see, Railways has gained by 8.19% today. Because of this, your exposure to companies in this sector has changed by 4.6%. You could also find out about today's contributors. Click on Full Details for more information. The news related to each stock in your portfolio. Any upcoming corporate actions. We also provide you a gain breakup with respect to market caps. You could find out whether your market caps has outperformed or underperformed the benchmark. Click on full details for more information.